I feel that you can protect your silver and your gold, but can you protect your digital money? I want to talk about the future of silver and gold. But first, hi and welcome to Cash and Coins. I do appreciate you watching. I hope you consider subscribing. Well, today I want to discuss silver and how it fits into our lives, considering the massive changes occurring in the world. Silver is a hot topic. Lately, we see that the price can move in any direction at any given time. We are under constant threats from so many directions affecting so many parts of our lives. We are experiencing hacking of companies, hacking of personal accounts, shortages caused by viruses and or hacks, internet outages, power outages, the constant devaluation of fiat currency. The US dollar has a 2% built-in depreciation. Its nature is to lose value. What should we do as gold and silver stackers? Stack. That's what I say. If you watch the news, you know all these things are happening. Almost seems like we don't have control of our lives anymore, but we do. We have ourselves and our ability to do things now. Apart from all the things that I've mentioned, we have something that has had value for thousands of years. We have silver and we have gold. We have real money. And if you're not sure if your silver and gold is even worth money, look at your American silver dollar. Look at your American gold coins. Yeah, they all have denominations on them. I wouldn't spend them for that denomination, but they will always have value. Now, there has been a lot going on about silver and the financial reset. You know, the US government is developing new currency. It's called the FedCoin by some, or CBDC. That's Charlie Bravo Delta Charlie, Central Bank Digital Currency. And I do hope that this turns out to be safe. Here's a little article from Reuters about the FedCoin, and I'll put all these links in the description. Now, I said safe because if you look online and you look at the online stories, you'll see tons of times that cryptocurrencies were stolen from people. Again, here's another article. This is from Security Magazine. So you could see that cryptocurrency is stolen by hackers. I do want to talk about cryptocurrencies or digital money or electronic money. I've heard it called so many things. And we know what happens when the grid goes down, because the grid has gone down here in the US a few times with the wildfires and hurricanes and tornadoes and all these things that have been going on. We find out that electronic money or digital money, when there's no internet, you don't have any money because you don't have access to it. No electricity, you don't have any money. So where is the value of electronic money? Is it valuable to you? It can be stolen, as we've already seen in these articles. And if you are in the United States, let's say for example, and someone from Russia or North Korea, let's say, steals your digital currency, what are you going to do about it? You can't do much, right? Please tell me in the comments, how is this a good thing? And that's what brings me to silver and gold. Gold is money. As you have heard, most central banks have tons of it. And silver too. Now, silver is usually with stackers like me, with investors, commodity traders, and in industry. Defining silver and gold as real money is easy. They have value. Now, you can protect your silver and gold, if you know what I mean. But can you protect your electronic money while you're sleeping, while you're awake, while you're on your computer? Somebody could just take it. Now, it's not that easy, as you know, but it's done. There was a video by Anonymous Stacker, and he talked about, and I'll put a link to his channel if it's still up, because I think he even stopped making videos, how they took $20,000 of his cryptocurrency. I believe it was Bitcoin. But nonetheless, I do want to say, be careful, learn about it. The United States is a superpower, and it's constantly being attacked by hackers. These groups are shutting down the economy. The economies all over the world. Look at what just happened with fuel here in the United States. What value is there when there are forces that the ordinary guy like you or me, or even a superpower like the United States, cannot fight against? I believe we really need to think about this. I'm not being an alarmist. I don't want to come off like that. I'm just pointing out some critical facts of things that are actually happening right now, especially when it comes to hacking. And you can Google it. You will see tons of stories. I'll put one here from Bloomberg. With that said, I do want to say the Wall Street, the Reddit Wall Street silver guys who are buying up silver like it's going out of business, I do tend to agree with them on the point that physical silver is where it's at. And I also agree with the silver bugs on Reddit. Why? Because you cannot hold a digital dollar. But you can hold an Australian silver kangaroo or an American silver dollar. You can hold the American gold buffalo. What I'm saying is precious metals can be held. They have to take them out of your hand. And when the power goes out, poof, your gold and silver doesn't disappear. It's still in your possession. And of course, these are just my thoughts. Now, I do want to say about the reset because I've heard a lot about that. So what is the reset? What's it going to do? Will the government have to confiscate gold or silver again so that digital currency will have value? I don't know. We know that things are changing and that change is constant. And that's just the way it's always been. Let's hope that wise thinking guides those in charge to make the best decisions. So many questions to be answered, but who's going to answer them? Are we going to be forced into a digital economy? We kind of already are. Look at what going digital has done. Having your personal information hacked is so easy now. Your identity can be stolen, and you know what a hassle that can be. And I'm praying that it never happens to you or anyone. I may be old-fashioned, but in the old days, if they wanted to steal your social security number, they would have to physically take it from you or break into, the doctor's office or into a bank to get that. But now somebody in some faraway country, or even in your own country, can hack into a computer and get all of your information. How many times has the government or businesses say that they've been hacked and to start monitoring your identity? I see all these things going on, and yes, I do see safety in silver and gold. I'm not a silver pumper or a gold pumper. Or am I? Will you decide? I feel you have to do what's best for yourself. I am not a financial advisor, and I always say do your own research. Now, I hope this video gave you some things to think about. I do have more than 80% of my precious metals in gold, and the rest I have in silver. Gold does cost more. As I began to stack, my strategy was then and is now to always buy gold when I buy silver. And since gold is more expensive, I have accumulated more gold than silver. Silver and gold make up, I would say, less than 10% of my portfolio because I do invest in the stock market and in real estate. But silver and gold are my insurance policies. They are my backup money. They are my sense of peace. You can even say they are what helps me sleep at night. So that's why I stack. I do want to thank you for watching, and I hope you share your comments, share this video. I hope you subscribe. If you have not, if you're a subscriber, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. And as I always say, have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I'll see you on the next video.